What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Batman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with a fold in between the eyes. We're going to start on the left, then this up in the middle, and then back down towards the right. Now you're going to draw the bottom edge of the brow. Starting back on the left, then this up, and then out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's curl up the inside of the brow. From these 2 points, we're going to bend this in and then up. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming all the way around, and just pull that up on the inside. And we want to line that up on the right. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out and draw a large half circle. We're going to come down the middle, round out the chin, and then pull that up on the right. Let's go to the center of the brow, draw a straight line coming all the way down the center of the nose. You're going to draw the bottom edge of the mask. Let's angle this up and out underneath the left eye. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left, bend the mask coming down and then in towards the chin. And then we want to shift the mouth over towards the right. So we're going to start down here, go across, bend that up, and add a bracket on the end. Let's go back to the side of the head. We're going to work our way up towards the tip of the ears. Let's start back on the left. We're going to bump this out, go up, and then in towards the top. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around and then up towards the same height. Let's bend the ears, coming down and then in on top of the head. Now I want to place the top of the head on top of the ears. So we step out, bend this up in the middle, go across and then down. Let's add a seam across the inside of the ear, starting from the top, come down and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right and do the same thing. And we'll connect the hips with a curve coming down the middle and we'll bend that back up. Let's go back to the left side, step up and draw that same curve across the top of the belt. Let's leave a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's add 2 more lines on either side. And then going to the center of the body, we're going to draw a large oval, all the way around for that symbol, and then back up. Let's add a simple bat symbol in the center. We're going to start at the very top with a small curve. From either side, we're going to bend this down and then up. Let's trace the side of the oval, coming around and then back in. And we'll close out the center with a curve, going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of that symbol. From the bottom of the buckle, we're going to step down, draw a short line going across. Let's go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right side, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down, then bend that up towards the outside. And then from the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, round this out, and pull that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a small gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to curve the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the foot. Now I want to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And going back up to the top of the legs along the inside, bend this up and then out, just underneath the hips. Now in the center of the leg, we're going to draw the edge of the boot. Let's start from the outside. We're going to go up and in with a straight angle line. And then from here, we want to bend this down and then in towards the inside of the legs. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. I want to start with the arm on the left holding the batarang. So starting underneath the head, let's bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb. We're going to go up, come down towards the tip of the thumb, and then bend that back up. On the outside of the thumb, we're going to draw a full oval with the index finger going all the way around. Now we want to move in, draw 2 more ovals tucked in underneath the finger and the thumb. From the bottom finger, let's curve the palm, coming down and then up towards the wrist. Step down, bend the arm coming in and up towards the body. Now I want to place the batarang in behind the hand. Let's start from the finger. Start by curving this out and up. Add a small curve along the top of the head. Come in and then back out. Let's bend the wing, going in towards the head. Curve this down and then in towards the tip. And pull that in towards the thumb. Let's separate the edge of the glove halfway down the arm. And then we want to line up the inside of the arm over on the right side. We're going to go out and then down towards the wrist. Let's add a small half circle for the thumb, then close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers on this side. Starting underneath the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to bend this in underneath the head. Halfway along the inside of the arm, let's draw the edge of the glove, bending this out and then up. Now, just underneath the head, we're going to draw the edge of the cape. Let's start on top of the left arm, we bend this down, and then up in the middle, underneath the chin, come down towards the right, and then up towards the outside. Now I want to sweep the cape over towards the right. Let's start underneath the arm on the left, bend this down, and then in towards the leg. Let's continue that curve in between the legs towards the right. Let's go to the outside of the right arm. It's going to sweep the cape going out. And we want to draw a series of curves coming back in towards the leg. Start with the first one coming in and then out. We'll add a couple more. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.